Welcome back, guys. Spring 2024. It is May. I want to say, I don't know the date, but we are back, and it is springtime. And as you guys can see, before I get going, nothing's really. That crow's got to shut up. Things are still blooming, but yeah, it is very nice out here today. Not really great, overcast, but it's nice either way. Anyway, what we got here today is this Casablanca Four Seasons 3, and this is the twin to the other one that I smashed last summer. This is the light kit that came off of it, and I just took it off because, I could use that on a fan down here without a light. But yeah, we got this piece of crap. This will get destroyed soon. I don't know what it is, but I think it's a Heritage. There's this outdoor thing here too. I think it's a plastic bladed thing. I don't know. It's plastic bladed. Don't know the name of it. That's what I meant to say. I love my ADHD. So yeah, it's an alright shape. I mean, that's from the mice walking on the blade arms. Like, that's pretty gross. It's alright. No canopy, no mounting hardware. But yeah, it's not terrible. I think the cap in this thing is drifting because it's not as fast as I think it should be, but yeah. Also has this for the pull chain. That does have the Casa fob that this would have came with. So, yeah, that's cool. Anyway, let's get started, shall we? So as you guys can see, that's high, and that's honestly not really fast. I feel like that could be a little quicker, in my opinion, but yeah. First off, I got some cell phones or smartphones. These are old Android phones. This is a HTC. Found my parents. And then I have 4 Motorola phones. So let's see if these will break. These will be interesting. Holy cow, the back came off of it. Oh, there's the battery. That's cool. Yeah. Oh boy. Yeah, that's broken. Yes, I would like to have my Motorola fixed. Sir, your phone is fucked. I'm sorry. I can't fix that. What do you mean? It's fucked! How in the hell am I missing that? This is lame. Yep. Shattered that one. Oh, this had a case on it. Wow. I thought that was part of the phone. This one had a case on it. Throw that back on there. Extra protection, you know what I mean? Oh yeah, that broke. Bye-bye. Just flung it right into the air. That was epic. Alright. Holy cow. Yep, that screen's done. How about a fan faceplate? There we go. How about these like rusty reed ring things? I don't know what the hell these things are. Oh, right into the bin. And I missed that one. Oh my god. That just went down the hill. How about small buckets? Not one, but two. Even more fun. Oh god. Right in the bin. Yeah. In the bin again. Oh wow, look at the hard drive. Oh wait, no, that's not a hard drive. That's fucking stupid. Friggin' CD player. Okay. Guess what, guys? The 5-gallon bucket is back. But this time it's even better. So we got 2 of them. Oh, geez, that's great. Friggin' broke on me. How about a Sears freezer refrigerator door? Yeah. How about a laptop? You know, man, we really hate school. Landino. Whatever whatever the fuck this thing's name is. Oh, look, it also has a CD player. Yeah, maximum air movement. Look at that. That's how you do it, folks. Oh, it broke. Oh my god. Oh, come on. It's literally sent into orbit. Oh my god. That's high. There's no way that's high. High. Oh, shit. Shut up. We need sledge action. Oh, Jesus. Where's a golf ball? Oh my god. Just sounded like friggin' one of the Bee Gees. Now it's a piñata. Let's let it swing, see if it'll fall down. Those are some good wire nuts, holy cow. There it goes. Fuck you. Alright. I think that one's destroyed. I'm overheating. Got 2 freaking sweatshirts on. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. This thing got freaking destroyed. Look at that. I got the bearings in 2 pieces. That's insane. But that thing's destroyed. I know that one was a little long, but I hope y'all enjoyed that one. This thing's bent a little bit because this thing had shit flying at it too. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that one, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.